Thanks for hanging out with me today while we deep clean and declutter my bathroom. Everyone's gonna make fun of me for wearing gloves again, I know, but I hate the feeling of dirt underneath my nails, so yeah. This is a chore I have been wanting to tackle for a while now, and I thought since you guys enjoyed my last cleaning video, I would take you along and we'd do this kind of together. As you can see, I started from the top and worked my way down to the real mess underneath this whole vanity. But yeah, obviously I cleaned off the top, made that squeaky clean. You saw that I did the mirror first, and yeah, we're gonna get to the real mess in just a moment. This drawer is absolutely pointless. It's been like this for a few months now, and this is really sad. It has like nothing in it, and nothing is productive or where it should be, so it would be accessible. And this drawer just looks like an atomic bomb went off in my makeup section. And then this one is just, yeah, like things just get shoved and then lost. Oh, the nervous laughter, because I can't believe I'm showing you guys this. How embarrassing. But yeah, so basically I'm just taking every single item out of the bathroom vanity, and I really am trying to categorize it into things I'm keeping, things that are for my husband, things that are for the kids. Well, there's really not much in there but bubble bath for the kids, but still. Actually, if you guys are wondering why we don't have doorknobs or like drawer knobs on this cabinet vanity, it's actually because our little 1-year-old can't figure out how to open them, so we think it's like baby safe if we don't put knobs on them. It's been working quite well, so he doesn't get into the drawers. But here's my mess of all of my products, and they're kind of, like I said, in categories of things that I'm tossing to the garbage, things that I'm gonna give to like friends, my little sisters, whoever wants them. Hair products that are really, really good quality, but since I've been using and really enjoying Monet, I know I'm not going to reach for them, so I'm probably just going to give them away to my sisters or any of my girlfriends who want them. But moving right along, I took everything out and now I'm wiping everything down, and I'm wiping down even all the products. A lot of dust gets in there as well, so everything was very dirty and very grimy. So I'm just wiping everything down before I'm putting it back, and now I'm going ahead and categorizing all of my husband's stuff in the right-hand basket and all of my stuff on the left-hand baskets. And that's all done, finally. Moving on to this ridiculous drawer, just again taking everything out and really giving everything a very good and deep clean and deciding what I want to keep and how I want to reorganize it. Well, hello, little munchkin hand. That's my son Jake. He was napping and woke up and obviously wanted to help me clean, because don't we all wake up from naps just being like, what can I clean? Let's clean. No? Just him? Sarcasm too much? Yeah, it's too much. All right, I'll stop. Moving on. The makeup bomb drawer. This is actually only a little bit of my makeup collection. Maybe I'll do a little video over and show you exactly. I keep all of my makeup in my closet in another organizing thing that needs to be organized, but it's all in there. What I keep in here are obviously feminine products and then makeup that I'm using on the daily. So a couple of facial masks, some brushes, and yeah, just like my favorites of the favorites. And then you'll see that gold pouch holds all of my little daily foundation that I use. And we're at the end. Here I'm just showing you what I'm giving away, what is garbage. That whole white bag is garbage. And these things are not all being given away, but most of them are really good quality hair products, and I know my sisters will probably enjoy them. So for example, this one is the Matrix, the other one was the Bumble and Bumble from Sephora, Redken is a very reputable, awesome brand. I just don't use it anymore. And hey, little guy with the dinosaur, his favorite thing of life. Here's the final product. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thanks for coming along with me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing to my videos. I love having you guys here, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.